Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I want to just show you guys this broken nail. Yes, it happened again, and it's okay. They're only nails. I am a little hurt by it, but it's okay. The nails are a little rough looking right now because some of the nail polish peeled off. Also, I realized that the filing my nails in a square shape causes them to hook on a lot of things, and that's why they break so often. So I decided to try a oval shaped nail. So you see me cutting all of the nails primarily in the oval shape, and then I'm going to start filing them. So here I'm using more of a gritty file, and I'm going to file them in a desired shape. And then I'm going to go right behind this with a glass file and really smooth out those edges. So I'm starting here with the glass file, and all it does is seal the tips of the nail. It won't snag on anything. It just gets rid of that rough edge. I'm also going to use the 3-in-1 nail polish remover from Zoya. It still is an acetone remover, just a little kinder to the nail. It doesn't strip all of the natural oils and everything out of your nails. So I like this a little bit better than using pure acetone. Here I'm just going to go ahead with my regular mani now that I have the nails filed in my desired shape. I'm going to push back those cuticles a bit. I love this cuticle remover. It smells really nice. Smells like mango. And it really helps to soften the cuticle. You only leave it on for about a minute, and you can push the nails back. If you need to reapply more, you can do it again for about 2 minutes, and it should soften up your cuticles pretty nicely. After this, I wash my hands, and I'm going to buff my fingers, just making sure everything is nice and smooth. I get rid of that, just loose skin and debris that might still be on the nail, because that stuff will cause your nail polish not to lay nice and flat. So I try my best to buff out my nails so everything lays flat and looks nice. And my next stop is oiling my cuticles, making sure I'm nice and moisturized, lubricated. I've been neglecting my nails a lot. I haven't been wearing my gloves and everything, but I'm trying to do better. It's hard, but I'm trying, guys. Next, I'm going to apply the Naked Manicure Base by Zoya, because I'm going to be doing a little nail art. So you're going to be seeing that in the next video. But you can see how much more healthy and bright and beautiful my nails look. So we're going to try out this oval shaped nail for a while. You guys let me know what you think. And are you having problems with your nails breaking and catching on to things? Maybe you might need to change the shape of the nail or either cut them down a bit. I think long nails are absolutely gorgeous, but I'm thinking this may be a better length for me. Let me know down in the comments section what you think. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.